in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bowling Brook, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naperville, Bowling Brook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Westmont, Loud, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burr Ridge, Oak Brook, Willow Springs, Woodridge, Darien, Palos Hills, Western Springs, Clarendon Hills, Countryside, Indian Head Park, Hodgkins, and Goodings Grove, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 264 and 278. Interstate 88 between mile markers 129 and 133. Interstate 355 between mile markers 8 and 22. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh shit, double header, here we go. What the fuck? Oh my god. Where is this for?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for West Central Lake County in northeastern Illinois, East Central McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over McHenry, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Fuck.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Prairie Grove around 1:45 p.m. Holiday Hills around 1:55 p.m. Island Lake, Johnsburg, and Lake Brewer around 2 p.m.
Not a severe thunderstorm
Issaquah
warning.
Islands around 2:05 p.m. Wakonda and Volo around 2:10 p.m. Long Lake around 2:15 p.m. This includes Moraine Hills State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI.